I don't know where Jeff wins when he was up.
So here's a weird fan for you. This is a 52-inch something fan. It's supposed to be on low. Oh, someone just turned it to high. Alright, well, we'll start it with low. If I can get it to turn the low, I'm gonna have to do it on the pull chains. Wait, can I even reach the pull chains? Oh shoot, yeah, I can. Anyway, this is supposed to be low. There's a bunch of other fans running, so it's gonna interfere with this. Anyway, here's medium. And here's high.
That's cool.
Yeah, I like the design. This fan is beautiful.
It has fish.
It's very beautiful. All right, thanks for watching.